Hi guys, I am Soumya Acharya and today I'm here to discuss about depression in children. Are you ready? Let's get started. Depression is the major cause of mental illness. According to WHO, depression is the major cause of illness and mental disability amongst children aged between 10 to 19 years of age, and suicide is the most common effect of depression, right? So there are many myths around this. Some say children do not get depressed. It's only the adults who get depressed, and children getting depressed is just a myth. And even if they, it's just a sad phase wherein they will grow out of and things like that. But the reality is, children depression is real, and there are factors to identify the signs of depression, which I'm going to be discussing. The short sign or factor that could lead to child's depression is based on biological factors, right? So there may be a history of depression in the child's family. So the child also has a huge chance of developing depression in case if it is exposed to the same set of social stress or situations, right? So some of the symptoms that we could have in our mind and ensure that our child is safe and mentally healthy are one, it will lose the children will lose their appetite. It can be either increase in appetite or a decrease in appetite. But they will start showing some symptoms with respect to their changes in appetite. They usually withdraw themselves from the social environments, or they just start withdrawing from the crowd. They start living alone, they start being alone, and they don't share their emotions or feelings with anybody. They talk less, and most of the time we could see them being sad or being hopeless. Children will get sad time to time. I'm not saying that children will never get sad, but if any of the symptoms are kind of repeating or trending, then it means we need to be really careful with respect to validating the children's emotions, and in case if needed, we need to ensure that we take them to the necessary therapist and contact the expert and help the children come out of depression, right? So the fourth thing is, there may be a decrease in their marks, or they may lose interest in their academics, or it could be that they would completely be having a lot of fatigue, or their energy levels will be down. They will have less sleep. There will be sudden outburst of anger, or they will express their frustrations very often. So these are some of the short signs. If it happens once or twice, that's okay. But what I'm saying is, if it is a pattern, and if you find these symptoms being repeatedly showcased, then it's a matter of concern. And the first thing that we could do is to talk to the child and let the child know that we understand what the child or he or she is going through, and we are here to listen to the child. So communication is the key here. So as long as you are able to make the child speak, then it's definitely going to be beneficial for both the child as well as the parents, because the child will feel heard, and it will feel that his or her emotions are getting validated, and it might help them to talk it out and come out of that sadness or depression, right? So these are some of the symptoms of child depression. So please watch out for those signs and take precautionary steps as needed. Thank you so much for watching the video. In case if you liked the video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also do not forget to give me a thumbs up. So thank you so much for listening to me. Cheers. Stay safe. Bye bye.